This is Mount Triangle's Dinosaur Upper Primary Pack. It's full of cool stuff. Let's have a look inside. Black and white, colour. So it starts out with a colouring in sheet, and all the dinosaurs are wearing hats in this one. I should pop on a hat. You like my hat? It's actually not a hat, it's a candle. I actually think this is a free sample, so if you don't want to buy the pack. Then there's a few Let's Make a Maze pages, and what they are is pages where you draw little lines to make your own maze. After that, we got some more difficult dot-to-dots for the older kids, if they're still into that. There's a tutorial on how to draw a dinosaur, a brontosaurus looking dinosaur. Not only does it explain how to draw a dinosaur, but it also explains how to make it exciting, how to make it different, and how to add a background, make it a complete scene. There's also a bunch of dinosaur grid drawing sheets. Yeah, there's heaps of them. Lastly, we've got a bit of a craft activity with the Dinosaur Cup Identifiers. It may look a bit complicated, but all you do is you cut it out and you fold it up and you glue it together, and then you stick it on the side of the cup. You can also laminate them to make them last longer. That's my dinosaur pack for upper primary school kids. Thanks for stopping by Mount Triangle. #Mount Triangle. See you later.